It's a great day at Western GMC Buick, located on the corner of 184th Street and Stony Plain Road in Edmonton. Today we're looking at the 2020 GMC Terrain Denali. Start by taking a look inside the front of the Terrain. On the driver's door, power locks, power windows, power adjustable mirrors, the programmable memory seat, auto express window, and the child lock button. Down below we have the power liftgate button, as well as the premium Bose sound system. Here we have the power adjustable driver's seat with lumbar support, Denali badging in both the headrests, and a power moonroof up above. Next, I'll climb right in. We'll take a look at the leather-wrapped heated steering wheel. On the left side, we've got the cruise control buttons with forward collision alert and a heated steering wheel button. On the right side, we've got the audio buttons. Here we have the digital dash. We're able to scroll through the dash by using the arrow buttons located on the steering wheel. Up above, we have the programmable garage door opener, power moonroof button, and OnStar. Here we have GMC's infotainment center, complete with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. This screen displays the outside temperature, the time. It's also equipped with navigation. And the screen doubles as our backup camera. We're able to turn that guidance off or back on. We've got the push start button, dual climate control with air conditioning, the park reverse drive buttons, some USB and power plug-ins. We've got park assist, heated and cooled front leather seats, hill descent control, lane departure alert, and the wireless charging pocket. Place your phone in the charging pocket and it will charge your phone for you. At the front of the Denali, we've got that unique Denali grille. We've also got fog lights, 19-inch aluminum wheels, a 2-liter turbo engine under the hood. The side mirrors have side blind zone alert as well as the turn signal indicator, a roof rack up top, rear tinted windows. The door handles have intelligent access, so as long as you've got the key fob on you, push the silver button to lock or unlock the doors. We've got the rear window wiper and washer, as well as the power lift gate, so we can pop that open with the push of a button. In the trunk, it's quite spacious. We've got cargo hooks. We also have the levers to fold that second row seating down, a power plug-in, and a storage compartment located down below. Last, we'll take a look inside the back of this 5-passenger crossover. On the passenger door, we've got power windows and a couple of smaller storage compartments. We've got seat pockets on the backs of both front seats. On the back of the center console, we've got heated rear seats, some USB plug-ins, and a 120-volt power plug-in. The middle seat folds down into double cup holders or an armrest, and we can fold the rear seats down with ease by pulling the lever located on the top of the seat. So come take a look at the 2020 GMC Terrain Denali today, or you can visit us online anytime, anywhere at westerngmcbuick.com.